Time check guys, it's jet time. Hi guys, orders ready. So ayun guys, naka-receive nga kami dyan ng order through Talabat ng Aros Caldo with egg. So i-repair na namin dyan yung mga fresh ingredients for Aros Caldo with egg. So susutin na natin dyan yung onion, garlic, ginger, and yung chicken natin guys. So ayan guys, may nakita ko sa inyo. Once you order your food, that's the time only we cook and prepare your food, so you can guarantee your food have good quality and safety food for your happiness and satisfaction. Good food, good mood. Everyday fresh, quality good. So guys, ang mga nagtatanong kung food color ba yung nilalagay namin dyan sa Aros Caldo with egg namin is no guys. Annatto oil yan guys, annatto oil. Magandang benefits yan para sa inyong health. So, ito, sinerch natin sa Google guys, benefits of annatto. People take annatto for diabetes, diarrhea, fever, fluid retention, heartburn, malaria, and hepatitis. They also use it as an antioxidant and bowel cleanser. So, maganda talagang sa health ang annatto guys. Hindi food color yan. So, safe talaga ang food nyo sa GFH Street Restaurant. Annatto is sometimes put directly on the food instead of using a coloring food color. So annatto oil can serve as also a coloring agent guys, with which is good for our health guys. So ayun guys, so thank you so much sa mga regular customer namin sa Talabat, sa mga patuloy na sumusuporta sa GFH Street Restaurant. So sa mga regular customer namin sa Talabat guys, thank you so much sa inyo. Free delivery tayo sa Noon application guys. So pwede nyo itry ang Noon application. Download lang kayo at i-search nyo ang GFH Street Restaurant. Pwede na kayo makapag-order and deliver ng mga paborito nyo pagkain sa inyong GFH Street Restaurant with free delivery guys. So guys, kung gusto niyo naman pumasyal dito, ang location ng GFH Street Restaurant is Sheikh Amar Street, Rauda 3, Ajman, UAE. Pwede nyo kaming i-message sa WhatsApp para i-send namin sa location. Number guys is 055-44-30403 guys. So send na namin sa inyo yung location guys. So ayun guys, tinameran na nga natin dyan yung Aros Caldo with egg guys, para siguradong luto na yung ating chicken na ginisa dyan guys. So 7 minutes, in 7 minutes guys, inshallah maluluto na yung Aros Caldo with egg na order ni Madam guys. So ayun guys, okay na yan. Tinakpan ko na siya dyan guys para mabilis siya maluto. So time check tayo dyan guys, 1 minute and 5 seconds guys. Ready na yung Aros Caldo with egg natin guys. So pakita namin sa inyo ano na itsura niyan guys. Smells good guys. Pagbukas ko, nabanguhan kagad ako. Nagugutom nga ako dyan habang ini-edit ko tong video to guys. So guys, please do try the Aros Caldo with egg of GFH Street Restaurant. Napaka-healthy dito. Talagang good quality po siya guys. So ayan, tumunog na nga yung timer dyan guys. So sinalin ko na dyan guys. After masalin yan guys, umuusok pa, lalagyan na ng toppings yan, boiled egg, spring onion, and garlic guys. So included na rin siya ng lemon and chili oil guys. So once again guys, thank you so much all for your support. Keep on grinding. Have a great and blessed day to everyone. Assalamualaikum. Peace out. Thank you.